So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to butter foods. I'm gonna show you the 3 components to make a butter, so you can make your own, and yeah, you can enjoy cooking more. My name's Jet, and I'm this guy who make cooking videos, and I teach basic cooking. Let's talk about buttered foods, right? Buttered are just like breadings, but it's kind of different. It's different, but it has the same thing, same goal. Like it makes the food crispier. It has a golden looking texture, and it just looks good in a food, right? The common use of it there's so many variations. You can have a tempura that is buttered, or you can bread it if you want. Onion rings, right? Buttered fish, right? Especially in America, England, they're the most popular food. I was looking for this back in the day, but I cannot find it. It's like, what's the basic components of this thing? And now that I learned it, I'm just really happy to share. Only 3 components you're gonna need in order to make your own, okay? The first thing is starch, alright? Any starch, right? Starting for flour, right? There's a bunch of different flours, right? You can use all-purpose flour, right? You can use a low flour, rice flour, cornstarch. But the thing I heard when it's making crispy butter, right? They combine the all-purpose flour to any low flour or something like that. This is a dry ingredient. You can combine any dry ingredient with it. You can use any spices, any herbs you wanted to, right? Just to add flavor. The second component is a liquid. Oh shit. There's so many liquids you can use. You can use water, but water can be boring. Use any dairy products, right? Milk and stuff like that, yogurt. The other thing you can use is a soda, or anything that has soda, or even a beer, right? The thing about using any sodas or any beer is like the texture of the food makes it more crispier, right? You can pick your own liquid, but like I said, choose wisely. So the third component is an egg, alright? Don't forget eggs. You beat this, or sometimes you put milk in it if you wanted to, right? Eggs helps to make the butter more solid, that's it, right? You can add any ingredients here, any liquid ingredients such as milk. Same thing with liquid, right? Same thing with this, right? You can, whatever you want to put in your butter, you can add it. Then anything that is dry, you can add. So there's only 2 steps on making a butter. The first step is combining any liquid ingredients, then combine it with the dry ingredients, right? Let's say that, right? I'm just gonna combine it here. Alright? That's the first step. Then we can add flour in order to make a solid butter. The consistency of the butter, right? Should be more thicker than this, right? Flour is the one who's gonna determine how thick your butter is gonna be, right? So that's really the basic of it. Just keep doing that, right? And always use a cold ingredients, right? Colder ingredients are better. Let's say it's too thick, right? You can always add soda back, or even eggs, right? To like just bring it down. And how to butter foods, just put a flour and whatever you want, fish and stuff like that. Then just dip it in the flour and straight to fry it, deep fry it and stuff like that. There you go. So this is just the basic component of this butter, but you yourself can always improve it, right? If you want to put anything, ingredients you want, right? Especially in creative cooking, right? People put stuff that you're not aware of, and that's just how it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video and understand it. I hope you use it too, and show it to your mom. I hope you give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. Alright, peace out.